Hello all, this is class 6 mathematics chapter 1 exercise 1.2 lecture 3 homework solutions. Your homework was to do question number 9, 10, 11 and 12 of exercise 1.2. Now question number 9. To stitch a shirt 2 meter 15 centimeter cloth is needed. Out of 40 meter cloth, how many shirts can be stitched and how much clothes will remain? Cloth needed to stitch one shirt 2 meter 15 centimeter. We will convert 2 meter 15 centimeter in one unit, that is smaller unit, centimeter. 215 centimeter. Total length of cloth 40 meter. When we convert 40 meter in centimeter, it will become 4000 centimeter. Number of shirts can be stitched. It is 4000 centimeter divided by 215 centimeter. When you divide, you will get quotient 18 and remainder 130. Which means that 18 shirts can be completely stitched and 130 cloth will remain. 130 centimeter cloth will left. Question 10. Medicine is packed in boxes, each weighing 4 kg 500 gram. How many such boxes can be loaded in a van which cannot carry beyond 800 kg? Maximum load a van can carry is 800 kg. We will convert 800 kg into gram, which is equal to 800 multiplied by 1000, as 1 kilogram equal to 1000 gram. So 800 kilogram equal to 8 lakh gram. Now weight of one box is given 4 kilogram 500 gram. We will convert this also into gram, which is equal to 4500 gram. Now number of boxes that can be loaded in a van is total weight that a van can carry divided by weight of one box. That is 8 lakh gram divided by 4500 gram. When you do the revision, your answer is 177. Hence 177 boxes can be loaded in a van. Question number 11. The distance between the school and the house of a student's house is 1 kilometer 875 meter. Every day she walks both ways. Find the total distance covered by her in 6 days. Now in this question, distance covered by a student by walking one way from house to school is 1 kilometer 875 meter, which is equal to 1875 meter. Now she covered but both ways. So distance covered walking both ways equal to 1875 multiplied by 2 from house to school and from school to house. It is 3750 meter. Now this is the distance covered by the student in one day, and you have to find out distance covered by her in 6 days. So distance covered by her in 6 days equal to 3750 multiplied by 6. It is 22 kilometer 500 meter. Now see question number 12. A vessel has 4 liter 500 milliliter of curd. In how many glasses, each of 25 milliliter capacity, can it be filled? Capacity of a vessel is given to us. It is 4 liter 500 milliliter. In this question also we will convert these two units into one single unit, that is the smaller unit, milliliter. 1 liter equal to 1000 milliliter. So 4 liter equal to 4000 milliliter. 4000 plus 500, it is 4500 milliliter. So capacity of a vessel is 4500 milliliter, and capacity of a glass is given to us 25 milliliter. For finding the number of glasses that can be filled, we will divide capacity of a vessel by capacity of one glass. 4500 milliliter divided